Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another welding video, you can say, because this time I'm actually getting it for a friend of mine who bought exactly the same welder as I did, and he's now having problems with it. So now he's asking questions and tips and tricks and how to do it. I'm no professional in this thing. Mick, alright, but Tig, I'm also new, but I was actually I'm still in progress of learning. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show him and you guys the way I do it and what I have as my settings over here, so he can actually check it out and then apply that to his. So this is a Eastwood Tig 200 AC/DC welder. Of course you want to have, if you TIG welding aluminum, you want to have it here on AC. If you TIG welding steel, you want to have it on DC. Of course, if you TIG welding, you want to have it on TIG, and stick is right here, so leave that on the TIG. Pedal, or this is foot pedal, or your switch pedal on your finger. I put that, I like using the finger one. Now we have a pre-flow, post-flow. Pre-flow is every time you push that pedal, how long that air, how long that gas is gonna flow there. I leave it around 0.04 seconds. Post-flow is every time you push the pedal and you weld for a while and then you stop and you release the pedal, this is how long afterwards the gas will flow, which protects the weld afterwards. And then right here I leave it around 100 amps. That's depending also what you're welding and how thick of a metal you're welding. In my case, I'm going to be welding now with steel, so you can go 80 to 100. And then clearance effect, I leave that on -3 to -4, depending also what you're welding as well. Clearance effect is, it tells you by itself how big of an area will be cleaning. The smaller, the bigger. I never go to positive. I always leave it in negative. Today we're gonna be welding this this piece right here. I already started to fill up this big gap and I kind of failed, but I know why I failed. So now I'm gonna show you how to throw a bead, and he's been having problems with that, so I'm gonna use 332 the rods, ER70S 2 from the Harbor Freight. People complain about it, but hey, that's all I have right now. I'm gonna use this darkening for the helmet to put it across the camera so you guys can actually see what's going on there. The upgrade I made on the cup right here, I actually went with the see-through cup and the gas lens, because it actually disperses the gas straight and it protects the weld better. Also, you can see through the cup, so that way you don't have to tilt down with your head and all that just to see where it is. You can actually see through that. So yeah, I'm gonna put you now on the stand and we're gonna get going. All right, so I know you guys don't see nothing right now, but that's because of that lens. In a minute you're probably gonna start seeing spark and all that. So yeah, let's start it. I don't know if you guys seen that. Let's check it out. All right, so here it is. Nothing pretty. It's a decent looking though, but it's still hot. You can see that it looks alright. This one here, that's my first attempt a long time ago, and this one right here is just a regular throwing the beads. But I'm gonna do one more attempt to see if I can throw them a little bit prettier, and so you guys can check it out as well. Alright, so this time I am not using a lens, so I'm gonna try to do it this way. Alright, so let's do it. It's gonna be hard, but let's try. I start creating the bottle, and then I start adding the filler rod slowly. See, that time I only added a little bit of filler rod, nothing pretty like I said. And now on this side I'm gonna do where I'm gonna add a little bit more and a little bit slower. Alright, so let's do this. There you go. That's a little bit more filler rod and a little bit slower. Now let's continue doing this one right here. I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to fill this one out without doing it like that. All right. Alrighty, so job done. Here it is. Like I said, not pretty, but it's there. I'm getting there. So, what was the mistake on this one? Well, mistake on this one was not enough heat to penetrate the sides of the metal, and that's why it kind of ball like that. So for a friend of mine that is doing this also, that is having problems with balling, this is what problem is. You have to apply enough heat so it actually melts the surface that you're welding in so much that this one just dips in there. This rod just dips in there and kind of adds a little bit more metal and fills up everything. So this is why that is happening. This is why I was trying to show him this is what exactly his looks like probably. So yeah, this is pretty much done. This is steel. Aluminum should be pretty much same. You just let that clearance area start cleaning all around, and you can see on the clearance area right here, this is your clearance area right around. That's how much your welder is cleaning. So yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys this, and of course for my friend, he already went and started straight on the pipes, which I think it's a mistake from his side. I went and suggested him this, so he's already practicing. Hopefully he's gonna see this weld in this video. Anyway, again, please let me know if I'm making some kind of mistakes down, guys. I'm starting just like him and learning as much as I can. I have plenty of rods and plenty of gas, so yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Of course, subscribe, share it, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.